Hey guys, this is Michael from digitalreg.net. Honor started this year with a literally banging smartphone as they launched their toughest smartphone yet, the Honor X9c 5G. This smartphone series has always been a topic of conversation in the community for its durability. And this time, they made it even tougher than ever. So let's see just how tough it is now. Honor retains some of the design elements from its previous generation while introducing improvements in certain aspects. It still features a curved display design that is comfortable to grip. Thanks to its slender form factor, the device is available in three color options: Jade Cyan, Titanium Purple, and Titanium Black. We got the Jade Cyan variant, which showcases a marble tile-inspired design on its backplate, while the Titanium Purple and Titanium Black versions offer a more minimalistic aesthetic. The most significant improvement in its design is the enhanced durability. This year, Honor has extended the durability screen protection to the camera as well, which wasn't the case last year. The device now uses Super Double Tempered Glass AGC DT Star 2 Plus on both the front display and the rear cameras. In terms of IP rating, the device is now rated IP65M, meaning it offers dust-tight protection and can withstand water jets from any direction. This added protection is a welcome feature as smartphones are daily essential, and accident can happen. This level of durability helps ensure the phone won't easily break when mishaps occur. On their product information page for the Honor X9c 5G, it states that the device can withstand extreme temperature ranging from -30 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. This is made possible by an industry-leading battery coating that works in tandem with the Honor power management system to ensure protection at all times. The button and port placement remain unchanged. The power button and volume rocker are located on the right side, while the bottom houses the speaker grill, microphone, USB Type-C port, and a SIM tray slot that supports dual nano SIM cards. The Honor X9c 5G screen has received an upgrade. It now features a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, a higher resolution of 1224 by 2700 pixels, and an impressive peak brightness of 4000 nits. Additionally, it boasts a better screen-to-body ratio, now at 93.7%. With this AMOLED display, you can enjoy watching your favorite shows or content thanks to its deep blocks, excellent contrast, and vibrant colors. The screen also offers great viewing angles whether you're indoors or outdoors under direct sunlight. The device includes the Honor Eye Comfort Display feature, which can be activated to automatically adjust the screen color temperature based on your body rhythm. This helps improve sleep quality by supporting dynamic dimming and reduce screen flickering. Finally, in terms of audio, the Honor X9c 5G now uses dual stereo speakers which deliver great sound quality. The volume can be turned up to 300%, but at times it may sound a bit tinny. The Honor X9c 5G unfortunately still uses the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 paired with 12GB of RAM plus 12GB of Honor RAM Boost and 256GB of internal storage. The Honor X9c 5G runs on Magic OS 8.0 based on Android 14, straight out of the box. Some bloatware comes pre-installed, but you can easily uninstall most of it except for Honor apps. Overall, the experience is great with nice additional features added for ease of use and improved productivity in your day-to-day life. When gaming, you can enjoy a wide range of games, whether they are casual or graphic-intensive games. Playing Mobile Legends is smooth, even with the graphics set to high and the frame rate set to super. For titles like Genshin Impact, you can still enjoy the gameplay, but don't expect to use high graphics settings. We were able to play it on low graphics with minimal stuttering. The cameras on the Honor X9c 5G remain the same, with the removal of the macro camera, which is not significantly lost for the most users. The rear camera setup includes a 108 megapixel main camera paired with a 5-megapixel ultra-wide camera. On the front, there is a 16-megapixel selfie camera, now designed in a capsule style rather than a punch-hole display. The images from the main camera are similar to those from the previous generation, offering decent quality. Photos come out sharp with good vibrancy and contrast in daylight settings. However, there is a noticeable post-processing sharpness which might be too much for some users. At night, the quality seems to decline. The ultra-wide camera, on the other hand, performs poorly, often producing noisy image with color far less vibrant than those from the main camera. Selfies with the Honor X9c 5G remain decent, offering natural skin tones and good sharpness in well-lit environment. However, in low-light conditions, it takes a bit longer to capture a shot, so you may need to hold your phone steady for better results. For video, the rear main camera supports up to 4K at 30 fps, while the front-facing camera can record at 1080p at 30 fps. Another upgrade for the Honor X9c 5G is its 6,600 mAh battery capacity, ensuring prolonged smartphone use. With its efficient chipset and large battery, the device can last more than a day and a half on a single charge. This means you won't have to worry about constantly looking for a wall socket to charge your smartphone. As for charging, Honor has made a significant improvement by including a 66 watts supercharger. Charging from 0% to 100% now takes only about an hour. The Honor X9c 5G stands out as a top smartphone, now offering superior protection for both its display and camera glass. Unfortunately, its performance and camera remain unchanged, which might discourage some users who already own its predecessor. However, it still provides solid value, especially at under 20,000 pesos, offering a practical features for people who often face issues with smartphones due to accidental drops, impacts, or even exposure to hot water, which typically result in broken displays or damaged devices. While the performance and camera remains the same, the design, display, speaker, and battery still deliver excellent value, making it a recommended choice if you're in the market for a new smartphone. The Honor X9c 5G is priced at 16,999 and you can pre-order it now until January 25 at any Honor's official store nationwide or online platforms such as Lazada, Shopee, and TikTok Shop. That's it for our video. If you like more contents like this, let us know in the comment section down below. While you're there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for similar videos like this. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.